I hope nobody's listening, but if you are, keep it to yourself because I'm about to drop some alpha. Right here, we have Alliance Block Nexera or NXRA. They are within the RWA category, real world assets. So their main goal here is to bring real world businesses and tokenize them on the blockchain. So guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be going over Alliance Blocks Nexera if you haven't already been able to tell. My name's Dennis, and yeah, I'm going to be doing this review. I think Alliance Block Nexera will do multiples over the next bull cycle, so I'm really bullish on this project. Again, and if you're bullish on the entire narrative of RWA, it is something that you want to keep in mind because as blockchain becomes adopted worldwide, it's going to become very important for traditional assets, traditional businesses to come and tokenize on the blockchain. So envision you taking a Rolex and digitizing it and putting it on the blockchain, or real estate. There's a few projects that are tokenizing real estate properties, and having giving people the opportunity to either gain rental income from an investment they made via protocol, or be a part of house flips. And I'll be doing another video on a specific project that I'm thinking about right now. But yeah, so this is Alliance Block Nexera. Key things that I want to point out: I'm going to be going over market cap. I'm going to be going over the tokenomics of the coin, and then I'm going to be going over the charts and some social sentiment as well. So again, let's go to their website really quickly. So Alliance Block Nexera, infrastructure for decentralized tokenized markets. So when you guys are thinking about investing in crypto, anything that has to do with infrastructure, think like the building blocks of an industry. Like for gaming, if you're bullish on gaming in crypto, which is a huge market, or when I think will do very well over the next bull cycle, it's really important for you guys to think about who builds this, right? Like who builds who's the backbone of the gaming tokens or the gaming communities. That's what you want to be a part of. So this is, again, another infrastructure play for the bridge between real world and blockchain. So bullish, very bullish on Nexera. Some reputable names that are part of it: Quant, BNB Chain. They recently announced that they're doing stuff with Arbitrum. Look, I see Chainlink, Engine Starter, which is a good, all good things. Beautiful website, nothing to complain about on my end. And then I did want to point out one more thing. Actually, never mind. So let's go to CoinGecko really quickly. So with CoinGecko, we're sitting at a $38 million market cap. So again, this is a very, very small coin. A coin like this over a bull cycle could easily do like a 50x, 40 to 50x on your return. Minimum 10x is kind of how I envision it. Circulating supply, 747 million out of the maximum supply of 850 million. So this is really important because you really want to, when you're investing into coins, if you guys watch the Arbitrum video that I posted about, Arbitrum circulating supply versus the max supply is not the same. So you want to be very or is not the same. What I mean by that is there's 1 billion tokens and there's a total max supply of 10 billion. So there's still a lot of vesting and dumping onto the market that will come, which could dilute price. Doesn't have to, but it could. So here, looking at Nexera, I'm looking at 850 million market or total max supply, and the circulating supply is relatively close to that, which means, there's a chance that we still have some dumpage coming, but it's almost done. And we are going into a bull cycle coming over the next year or two, based off of previous cycles. So I would say it's pretty bullish. This is a good sign for what I want to see. One thing that I do want to talk about specifically is when I am researching coins, I always like to go to their Twitter and do a proper inspection on how everything is looking. So again, this is a general overview. These are the exchanges. This is kind of tells you a little bit about what Alliance Block is and where you can find them, how they're doing. And this is a plugin. If you guys are interested in this plugin, let me know. I like it a lot. But what I like to do is I like to go on Twitter and I'll look at their followers. And if they have reputable followers, to me, that's a pretty good sign. It's like, okay, there's good potential, right? So you have DYDX Foundation, which is a decentralized trading platform, which is great, good sign. You have Boston Protocol, which is another RWA platform. And then you have Energy Web Token, which is a huge play. Trader SZ, very popular trader within the crypto community. And one of the most reputable follows I like a lot here is the founder and CEO of Masari Crypto, which is a crypto and data research firm platform. So huge ups for them. So those are some reputable follows. Again, that is something I like to do when I'm researching coins, not something that you have to do if you're not about it. But this is something that I like to do. Let's go over to the chart really quickly. So the chart itself, again, Nexera, if we zoom out to the weekly time frame, well, this is on KuCoin, by the way. March 6th of 2023 was when Nexera came about, right? So to me, this is extremely important to keep an eye out for. And I'm actually kind of bullish looking at this chart right now, right? Because I love trading ranges. And to me, this is the range low, this is the range high, and then this is your mid range, right? We're currently sitting at the low, stochastic RSI, chilling at that low as well, at those oversold levels. Zooming into the daily time frame, we are getting some pumps. So we are up about 3.69%, and we hit a key level and almost look like we're double bottoming. So to me, this, a coin like this could run up similarly to what it did before, run up a 58%, depending on how the market is looking. And currently, Bitcoin to me is looking rather bullish. So just something to keep in mind when you're looking at the charts, guys, because they're very important. But ultimately, what you really want to see over the next bull cycle is something like this, right? Where price action maybe chops around here, does something like this, but eventually gets a break of this range high and then mounts it as support. This is extremely bullish. I'm not saying this is what's going to happen in the time frame that like by December, but it's like then price discovery is insane. You can get up to 20 cents. And you can really make some life-changing money. But again, if you're bullish on RWA, real-world assets coming, traditional assets coming over into the crypto side of things, tokenizing real-world assets, Nexera is a really good opportunity for me, from my perspective. Again, this is not financial advice, but this is one of my favorite coins going into playing into this RWA narrative that is coming. So if you guys like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. My name is Dennis, and I'll see you on the next video. See ya.